Before we finish reading, we're going to review the blue text box questions on the right and at the bottom. Number 7. How were Herodotus and Thucydides different? Number 8. Why is Herodotus called the father of history? Check for understanding. Identify the father of history and the father of medicine. Both were ancient Greeks. List one historian and one scientist and their ideas that were different from the beliefs of earlier Greeks. He tried to separate fact from legend. He was the first to do careful research. Today, he is called the father of history. Thucydides was another famous historian of the ancient world. He did not believe that the gods affected human history. Thucydides tried to write everything the way it actually happened. In ancient times, most people thought that the gods controlled nature. However, the early Greek scientists thought that people could discover the cause of natural events by observing, investigating, and thinking. The first important Greek scientist was Thales of Miletus. He made discoveries and developed theories by observing and thinking. Another Greek scientist, Pythagoras, believed that all relationships in the world could be expressed in numbers. He is famous for developing the Pythagorean theorem. It is still used in geometry to figure out the length of the sides of a triangle. Hippocrates was a physician who is called the father of medicine. He believed that diseases came from natural causes. He made important discoveries about different kinds of diseases. He also developed his own treatments to cure sick people. Hippocrates wrote a list of rules about how doctors should treat their patients. The rules are listed in the Hippocratic Oath. It says doctors should do their best to help the patient. It says they should protect the patient's privacy. Today, doctors around the world still promise to honor the Hippocratic Oath.